Hello friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new channel on Telegram. So let's start the video. First, you need to open the Telegram application. After opening the Telegram app, you will see an interface like this. Next, at the bottom right corner, you will see a pencil icon. Click on it. After clicking, Telegram will ask for access to your contacts. For now, I will select Not Now. Now, at number 3, you will see the option New Channel. Click on it. In the channel name section, type the name you want to give to your channel. And in the description section below, you can write some details about your channel. On the right side of the channel name, click on the emoji icon to add an emoji to your channel name. Then, click on the camera icon to add a profile photo for your channel. You can also add an emoji here. So I will select a photo and set it as the profile picture. Once everything is done, click the right tick at the top right corner. Now you need to choose the channel type, whether you want to create a public channel or a private channel. If you create a private channel, only people with the invite link can join your channel. And if you create a public channel, anyone can search for your channel and join it. I will choose to create a public channel, so I'll select Public, and then set my channel's public link below. Here, you have to type your channel name in the link, and it will show whether the link is available or not. If it's not available, you can make some changes to the name until it is. After that, click the right tick at the top right corner again, and there you go, your channel is ready. Now I'll go back and show you at the very top, you can see that the channel has been successfully created. So this is how you can create a new channel on Telegram. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in another interesting video.